Welcome to Therapy, Vladik. My name is Haley. Why are you here?
I've been having a lot of issues with my family.
Like what?
Like, no one can stand me. My wife died a really long time ago. Now I have a new wife who hates me.
What are their names?
My deceased wife's name is Anya, and my current wife's name is Mala.
And do you like them?
Yes.
And so, why do they not like you?
I don't know. Me and Anya had a great relationship, but Mala is a different story. Mala complained about me all day to my son.
Why? What do you do?
She says I am cheap.
Well, why would you be cheap?
Because I think Mala thinks I'm cheap because, I am kind of. Like, I need to save my things.
So, can I ask how you have been dealing with everyday situations such as eating and doing your taxes?
I eat normally. I eat good. My appetite is a little bit smaller than the normal person's because of my food deprivation during the war.
Do you think about the Holocaust often?
Every second of my life.
And how does it make you feel?
It makes me feel grateful that I made it out and that my son has a better life than I.
Were you a good father to Artie?
I'd like to think so.
What does he think? No.
I don't know. We'll find out when this book comes out.
What book are you talking of?
He wrote a book about my life. He's in the process. He interviews me every day. It's called MAUS.
Why would it be MAUS? How do you feel? Let's change the subject for a second. How do you feel when you see a German person or hear about Germany?
I don't like it. It reminds me of the Holocaust.
Does going to the bathroom remind you of the Holocaust?
No.
Why not?
Because they didn't have bathrooms in the Holocaust.
How do you sleep at night?
Not well.
Why do you think that is?
Because I have nightmares all night.
About what?
The Holocaust.
What about the Holocaust?
I imagine myself in the war again. I imagine Anya, what she had to go through. I imagine Artie every day not being grateful for what he has.
Does anyone you know make it through?
Only me and Anya.
And how do you feel when you think of those people that have passed from the Nazis?
Makes me sad every day.
So, do you interact with other people in your life?
Not really, except for Artie's new girlfriend. But
what is her name?
I don't know. I forget her name.
Do you choose not to interact with them?
Yes, I don't like other people.
What do you think we could do to improve these situations?
I think I could try and not think about the war so much and think about those around me.
How would you do that?
I could maybe let Mala buy something for herself once in a while. I could stop being so selfish with Artie.
Have you ever been to a doctor about these feelings before?
No, I haven't.
I think you may be suffering from something called PTSD.
What is a PTSD?
It's post-traumatic stress disorder.
I'm stressed?
It's feeling anxious or uncomfortable about it. Like something that happened to you and things in your life remind you of it.
Oh, that's very true.
And you deal with them every day, and it's very difficult. It's a stressful disorder.
Yes, I'm very stressed.
So we have a few ways that you could treat this. There are medications, but at your age of 103, I'm not sure if that's such a good idea.
Yes, my age is...
Therapy is an option, and it appears as though you are doing that right now. How have you found this session talking about your time in Auschwitz?
I feel relieved that I get to tell you these things that I can't talk about normally because I keep it so inside because I can't put this stress on other people. There's too much going on in the world.
And well, that's good. I'm glad you feel that way. And how about the other technique, which is called flooding? Flooding is where...
What, you want to flood me?
You surround yourself with the thing that makes you feel uncomfortable. So maybe talking about Auschwitz constantly and showing you pictures and old diaries and things that remind you of it can help you cope with this feelings that you're having.
That sounds very scary.
I know, but I think over time it could really heal you, Vladek.
Okay, I'll give it a try.
Okay,
When should our next session be?
29.
Okay, I'll be here at 29. Goodbye, Miss Millman. Thank you for all your help.